Hello, and today I got something really special. Vinyl Steve. It's a bobhead figure, Steve, and look, it has I guess a dirt block and an iron pickaxe, a stone pickaxe. I don't know what type of pickaxe, iron and stone or stone. I don't know. I can't get. But this is a Steve. If you look at Steve's head, let's just show it. As you can see on the back, it has a. And this toy was created by Jinx and Mojang. And look at that Steve picture. It looks like kind of looks like Tobuscus Steve's. And as you can see, it's all painted. It's all painted in a grass block type. And here's all the semester. Here it says for ages 6+. So now let's open the figure. Oh, finally. That was easy. Here's the Steve. Can he really shake his head? No. Let me put his pickaxe. What hand is this pickaxe supposed to be in? I gotta figure this out. It can't be mine, but here's how I do it. Come on. Come on. Ugh. Am I supposed to slide it in? Nope. Oh, no. Finally, I figured it out. Look, and it's a grass block. Just what I was thinking. And here's the Steve vinyl figure. And here's the grass blocks. Yeah, this is a pretty cool toy. By the way, it feels smooth, and you can really do stuff with it. Everything feels smooth. Everything feels like it's Minecraft. It's kind of hard to move the legs, but you can't really move the arms. Not the head, really. You can't spin her around. Yeah. So that's the end of this video. Bye!